What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I have another follow-up video to a video I posted a couple weeks ago. Somebody asked me how I box up a grill and ship a grill. So I did a video the other week of how I would box up a Nissan Pathfinder grill. So I sold that and it's already been shipped out. And I got a comment on the video asking how much it actually costs to ship it. So I'm going to do this video talking about how much it costs to ship that grill. And I went back and I looked at the last grill I sold, which was a Toyota Tundra grill. And I'm going to tell you guys how much that one costs to actually ship out. First things first, I always use Fedex to ship everything. The big thing with Fedex is that it's two different types of deliveries. It's either home delivery or it's to a business. So it's a ground delivery. Home deliveries are always more expensive. The way that FedEx does it is that any business delivery is going to be less than a home delivery. So I'm always excited when I see that these parts are going to a business because I know it's going to be a cheaper price. I live in Massachusetts, and when they're going across the country and they go into a home, if it's a good size package, it's usually going to be a little bit more expensive. This Pathfinder grill was going to a home address in Alabama. That's still pretty far away from me, but it's not West Coast, but it is all the way down south. So it is still a pretty good distance. I charged $40 in the listing to ship the package. The package was 45 inches by 25 inches by 7 inches. So it was a good size package. You guys can see the exact box I shipped it in the video of when I boxed it up. So like I said, I charged $40 on the listing for it, and the actual shipping price was $52. So it was $12 more expensive than what I charged. I did not think that I should have the shipping price more than $40. I thought that was a pretty good sizable amount to ask someone to pay for shipping. So I knew I was probably going to pay a little bit. So it was $12 more expensive. Once again, if you look at the fact that they paid $40 and you're only paying $12 out of your profits, it's actually a very small price to pay to be able to ship a box that big to somebody. So it really wasn't that bad. So obviously if you were going to do free shipping, which I see a lot, and it costs you $52 to ship, you would lose a huge amount of the profits from this item. I only sold it for $115. So if you had to pay the $52 shipping, it'd be almost half of what you were going to get for profit. So I always charge for shipping, and this kind of shows you why, because if it's going to be very expensive, you want the buyer to at least pay some of it, if not all of it. So on this one, I did pay $12 extra for shipping out of my profits, but that's not that big of a deal. I always use the eBay labels to print my labels, and you do get a discount on your shipping. So on this particular item, it said that I saved $36 in shipping costs, which I would normally be paying if I wasn't printing from eBay. So you can see that printing them from eBay, it does give you a discount. So I paid $12 out of my pocket to ship it. It was a good size box. Like I said, the dimensions were 45 by 25 by 7. The weight really isn't that much of a factor. It was probably around 10 to 15 pounds, but that usually doesn't add too much on to the price. It's always about how big the box is. The other one I looked up for this video was a Toyota Tundra grill. I think I sold this in January, so it was from 2 months ago. This was going to Louisiana. It was another home delivery, and obviously because it was a grill, it was another good size box. The box dimensions were 61 inches by 16 inches by 10 inches. Because this box was a bigger box in my listing, I had the buyer paying $50 for the shipping costs. I was hoping that it would go somewhere close to me and I would actually make money on the shipping, but once again, it went to a home delivery in Louisiana. So just like the Pathfinder grill, it's down south. It's not really that close. So the cost to the customer was $50 and the actual cost was $63. So just like the Pathfinder, that was $12 extra. This one is $13 extra. So once again, because I charged so much for shipping, it really turned out to be a very low cost out of my pocket that I needed to pay. Obviously, when you're looking at these boxes and getting them ready to ship, you know it's going to be a lot. So if you were to put $10 shipping or even $20 shipping, you know you're going to be paying a lot more out of your pocket. So I would definitely suggest putting it as high as you feel comfortable. $50 is pretty much pushing it, I think, but people do kind of understand how big everything is and that everything has a price. So if you're buying from somebody small like me, you can't just have free shipping on all your products, because you will lose a lot of money in the end when you're paying out of your pocket for all the shipping costs. If you were a big business and had big accounts with shipping companies, you probably could add free shipping. But for normal people like me and you who are just doing this on the side, I would never do free shipping unless it's a very small box. I would always charge for shipping. So just like the Pathfinder Grill, this one cost me $13 out of my pocket. This box was bigger than the Pathfinder Grill, so obviously the price is a little bit higher. But if you can get the buyer to pay a good portion of the shipping cost, then you won't feel too bad when it comes time to actually ship it out. All right, so I was asked to do this video, so I hope that clears it up for you guys who are wondering about, how much it actually takes to ship these big boxes out. If you guys need any more information or have any more questions like this that I can do a video on and show you guys exactly what I'm doing and how much things cost, please just comment and let me know. I will be more than willing to listen to you guys and to make these videos to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. I do like getting these comments, so I have some more content that I can make for you guys and clarify some stuff. So if there are any other questions, just let me know. I will get back to you as soon as I can and make these videos for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please check out my other videos. I will see you next time.